Hey, welcome back. So as you can see, we only have just a few files to write to complete the framework. And the next on the list is the 404 page. So what is 404? Well, if you go to the website and do like a slash this, you get a not found message. So let's quickly create a 404.php to address that. Okay, so we start with the header, get header, and then the footer. Now this won't need a sidebar because it needs to be different than all the other pages. So for that, we're going to create a div with a class of container-404, and inside we're going to have an h1 that says PHP. We're going to echo a translatable string. It says error 404, nothing found, and then the text domain. And under that, we're going to do a paragraph with a bit more explaining. So again, we're going to echo. So it looks like nothing was found here. Maybe try a search, alpha. And to complement this, we'll do PHP get search form. Okay, so now if we refresh, we won't see any change. And here's why. By default, if WordPress will not find the page you're looking for, it's going to search for the 404 web page. But there are cases when the web server has this problem before WordPress is aware of it. And to make sure WordPress knows about this and knows where to send the user, you need to edit the .htaccess file. Well, I'm not going to do that right now, but I will link you to a page which explains this whole process in detail. So check out the lesson notes. Okay, now the next item on the list is the search form. And I'm just going to add a search widget so you can see what we're dealing with. I'm going to add it to the main sidebar. And actually, now let's add it to the footer. Okay, so it seems we already have one in the footer. So I'm going to delete that. Refresh, let's scroll all the way down, and this is the search form. Let's search for template, for example. Okay, search, and it's going to give me a list of posts that have the word template inside their title. So this is actually very similar to an archive page. So I'm going to open up, let's see, category. I'm going to copy the content here. I'm going to create a new file called search.php. I'm going to paste it in. And let's see, search.php, the template for displaying search results. And we have the header. We have the main content. If we have posts, we're going to display this header right here with an h1 that's going to say search results for %s. And then instead of this, I'm going to say get search query. And this will give me the word or the keyword that I search for. And then we don't need this bit, while have posts and the rest of the page is the same. So now if I refresh, I get search results for template. And I can change it. I can search for, I don't know, this bit, and it's going to give me nothing found. Or I can search for something else like comments. Yeah, and that's going to give me template comments, comments disabled, and so on. Okay, and that's basically it for this lesson. Now let's take a look at the roadmap here. So category 404. Okay, so next is the full width template and also the contact template. These are like custom page templates that you can use on your pages. That's coming up in the next lesson.